Do you really remember the dream that you saw last night? Well, if it would have been a wonderful dream, you might have cherished and lived every moment through that. But what it would have been a dream that was unfavorable? What it would have been a dream which you don't like to see? Well, exactly this happens when you are pursuing a career in pure mathematics. I have often seen with my friends, professors, and fellow colleagues who are pursuing a dream in order to take over a career in pure mathematics, they really want to pursue a dream, but it is not always. I have seen mostly that people who are targeting to pursue a career in pure mathematics and research, they really don't want to live with their dream. At a certain point of their career, they live and they go for a different kind of livelihood. It can be bank accountant, it can be a chartered accountant, it can be a lawyer, anything. Well, there is no harm in pursuing something else than pursuing your career in research and mathematics. But the thing is that it is really hard to continue your research and your entire life pursuing something which is purely abstract. As you can understand, pursuing a career in pure mathematics or mathematical research is something, well, it is really something which is abstract. I think that mathematics itself is abstract. Indeed, you cannot just look outside the window and say, hey, there is a binomial theorem. You cannot just go out in the market tomorrow and say, this is a definite integral or that is basically a differentiation. The entire concept of mathematics is abstract. And I have seen that young people really falter in order to pursue their career with something which is really abstract. Why? There are two reasons. First of all, this abstract concept of pursuing the career really has no meaning when they compare it with something which is concrete. Neither they can see it, neither it has a practical application. All those concepts of abstract computing, topology, manifold, well, where it is, can I just hold my hand and say, here is something which I am doing a research? Really no. The second part which becomes equally important is that they cannot see something which is really creating a difference in the ordinary life. Is it bringing electricity to the poor people? Is it bringing a little bit more food to the poor people? Or anyway, there is nothing which creates an impact in the real. Well, I would say what it would have Isaac Newton would have thought in the same way. Well, if the apple is falling from the top of the tree, let it fall. As long it is sweet and delicious, let me taste it. But why would Newton think that, okay, the apple is falling, so let me find out the reason? What would have Descartes thought in order to develop Cartesian coordinate? What would have Laplace thought? What would have Galileo thought? Or what would have Stephen Hawking thought? That how does it really matter in order to see what is going inside a black hole or its event horizon? The thing is that this question came to my mind. I questioned my professor and I can admit today that I was wrong. The Mars rover Perseverance, which is going in the Mars and selecting the pictures of soil, does it really create any change? Does it really create any effect to today's world? Really, frankly speaking, no. But in due process of time, you will see that mathematics is going to create a significant difference. And that is the reason that Galileo and Kepler and Newton and today whoever it is, they have been able to create a significant difference. And that is why the entire wheel of science is progressing. And today we have got electricity, today we have got motor, today we have got everything. Even this mobile camera in which I am speaking is just because of technological enhancement. So my fellow members and researchers is this. Please do not forget to pursue your dream. It is this dream which today or tomorrow is going to create a significant difference. This dream is going to take you outside and the world will know. This dream is going to fetch more water to the village. This dream is going to get more food to the poor people. This dream is going to educate peoples in the villages who don't have even a mobile camera to see YouTube videos. Believe me, when I make mathematical videos and send it to people across Facebook, I have seen Nigerians, I have seen poor people who are telling me, sir, you are sending me a YouTube video. I don't have a data to see those videos. Don't you think that this is still a curse? Don't you think that in today's world, people still don't have the data to see videos and they cannot understand and know the basic crux of the knowledge? Either it is mathematics or science or biology. I hope and I have a strong optimistic mind that this pure mathematical research, which is so abstract in its way, is definitely going to create a difference. All we need to do, or I would advise all my young students and fellow researchers, is that let us stick to the dream. Let us not forget the dream. Let us not think that what these abstract concepts of manifolds and group theory, is it going to create a difference? Yes, it is going to create a difference. It is going to create a significant difference in poor people, in daily life, in the vehicle, in the wheel of scientific progress. Just stick to your dream, pursue it. Whatever abstract today it is seems to be, it might be something concrete which is going to come tomorrow. We thought it in a same abstract manner, what Galileo thought, Isaac Newton thought, Albert Einstein thought, Stephen Hawking. Think of Andrew Wiles, Professor Wiles, spending years and years after just proving a Fermat's theorem. What significance does it carry to prove a Fermat's theorem? Nothing. What Gregory Perelman proved about Poincare conjecture, does the conjecture carry any significant difference? Does this Poincare conjecture that he proved through Ricci flow, does it brings more electricity to the poor people? Does it bring more food to the poor people? Does it enhances in any way the real practical life? Right now it is a no. But I am very sure and very optimistic that these technologies are going to create an edifice, and based on that there are going to be a lot of difference. Life will be better. Life would be significantly different. Considering the current COVID-19 situation, what it would have the medical team thought, how does it matter to me? I am safe and fine. I don't have a COVID. They are risking their life, and it is just because of the fundamental abstract research. Today we are getting out of the COVID situation. Today we hope that the children would be going out in their schools. My only message, my only request to all the fellow members and the researchers who are pursuing a career so-called into abstract mathematics is that please live with your dream. It is this dream which seems to be abstract is going to create a significant difference, and we are all going to live and enhance a better scientific life. Thank you very much for watching.